Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Sanjukta and if you are watching this face for the first time then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So आज की वीडियो बहुत खुशबूदार होने वाली है because you guys already know by this title that what I am gonna do in today's video. So in today's video I am going to recommend or suggest few summer appropriate perfumes which is under 500, of course very affordable. So if you are that person who love to stay स्मेलिंग गुड और जिसको परफ्यूम और सेंट डिओड्रेंट बहुत पसंद आते हैं एंड हु आर वेरी ऑब्सेस्ड to trying out new smell or fragrance, then this video definitely is for you. So without blabber any more time, let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, first I have this very beautiful yet gorgeous perfume by Miniso. Yes, Miniso has very affordable and good quality perfumes, fragrance, and their packaging is quite classy and good looking packaging, and also they came across so many of perfumes with an affordable price range. So I definitely love Miniso's collection, especially perfume collections. I am obsessed with their perfume. So talking about this perfume, it's a green variant, yeah, and very nice and summer appropriate perfume. And as you can see, the packaging is very chic and classy yet very simple. कोई चटक मटक नहीं है इसमें. So I really like the packaging of this. Also if I talking about the perfume or the smell, oh my god, whenever I sniff it I feel very tropical, या फिर मैं कोई सी बीच में हूँ, सनसेट हो रहा है, मैं वाटरमेलन खा रही हूँ या नारियल पानी पी रही हूँ. इट्स गिविंग मी दैट वाइब. यस, दिस इज दैट ग्रेट. It's giving me such a refreshment. I must say this fragrance is perfect for summer day out. Oh my god, if anybody able to sniff you, they will definitely ask you. But the one thing I don't like about this, it's a EDT perfume. And if you're someone who don't know about EDT or EDP, let me explain you first. So EDT is something which has very less percentage of fragrance. I mean it has 8 to 15% of fragrance which lasts for 4 to 6 hours, and EDP is something which has more percentage of fragrance. I mean it's 15 to 30% of fragrance and it lasts for 8 to 10 hours. So that's a difference of EDT and EDP. So if you're that person who love to use perfume which stays very longer time, so you have to check this out that perfumes belong from EDT or EDP. So this is a basically EDT, but I really love the fragrance of this. But okay, क्या कर सकती हूँ, मुझे इसको reapply करना पड़ता है so that I can sniff myself. That's why. Also talking about the quantity of this, it's a 50 ml product, so I feel it's a quite good. And इसका प्राइस है 460 rupees. If you buy this from online, I mean from Amazon, then you can get definitely a discount. So that's a very great thing. Okay, next I have this body mist again by Miniso. Yes, they also have body mist, and oh my god, this body mist smells heavenly. I really love that. And इसका name है body mist ocean kiss. Yeah, it will give you again very refreshment ocean kind of vibe. Yes, trust me, if you that person who love to smell a very refreshing morning kind of vibe, then this is definitely for you. And yes, बॉडी मिस्ट तो ज़्यादा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग नहीं होता है, बट आई यूज़ दिस फॉर व्हेनेवर आई स्टे इनसाइड. And I am that person who love to use body mist after taking a good cold shower. I really love to spray on me, and oh my god, it's very beautiful, and I don't know how to explain it, but it's very refreshing. It will give you very fresh and energetic mood. But the bummer is it's not about the bummer. All the body mist doesn't stay very longer time, so it's a bummer of the body mist. Okay, talking about the quantity of this, it's a 250 ml product, and it's cost for rupees wow, it's only 260. It's only 260, very affordable. And कभी कभी होता है कि मुझे भी ऐसा फील होता है कि in summer I don't feel like to use very heavy or scent perfume. Sometimes I really don't want to use like perfume, scent and all. I really want something which is very light and refreshing. At that moment I just throw into my bag because it's very lightweight and I don't need to fear to break the glass because it's not a glass packaging. It's a very different kind of packaging and it's a very lightweight. So that's a plus point of this body mist. So again, if you're that person who love to smell very refreshing and sunny ocean kind of vibe and you really want good body mist, then this is the perfect recommendation from my side. Okay, let's talk about something different, which is this perfume body spray, and this is by Secret Temptation. As you can see, it has very cute packaging and it's really giving you summer vibe. But why I mentioned that something different, because previously I have spoken about very refreshing and oceany kind of smell, but this is something which is very sweet and fruity. Also they claims that it has 0% gas, so it's a plus point. So yes, it's really, it has no gas, and as you can see, it's very fruity and very sweet. So if you're that person who love to smell something very fruity, very sweet, then this is the perfect recommendation for you guys. So also it's a very affordable and it's cost for rupees only 199, and if you purchase this from online like Nykaa, Amazon, you will definitely get a discount. It will be like 170 or 150. So it's a very cheap yet good quality and perfect long lasting perfume for this summer. Okay, another thing, it is a 120 ml product, and if you ask me about the longevity about this perfume, I don't know, but I can share my experience because they have no mention. I guess if they mention, I need to read it out because generally EDP और EDT फ्रंट में मेंशन होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ मेंशन नहीं है. मे बी इट्स EDT. it lasts for 4 to 6 hours definitely, but again it's a very light packaging. You can easily take this with your bag and then you can easily reapply this in this summer. And जो भी हो, EDP हो और EDT हो, in this summer, in this humidity, you have to carry a perfume or body mist because इतना स्वेट होता है. वो स्वेट परफ्यूम के साथ मिलजुल के अलग ही कुछ स्मेल क्रिएट करता है, विच इज़ वेरी weird. So I feel you have to carry a body mist or body spray. So yeah, again it's a very good and fruity and sweet kind of perfume. So if you're that person who love this kind of perfume, then definitely check this out. तो आप लोग तो ऑलरेडी समझ ही गए हैं कि मुझे किस तरह के परफ्यूम ज़्यादा पसंद है, विच इज़ वेरी refreshing, fresh and morning kind of perfume. So yes, again I have this kind of perfume with me, which is by Nykaa. It is the collection of Moi or Mai. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a MAI. So please let me know in the comment section below what's the exact pronunciation of this. I will definitely correct myself. So it's a Nykaa collection. So I have their mini version of it, or you can say the pocket perfume. Now talking about the packaging of this, oh my goodness, you can see that how luxe the packaging of this. It's a glass bottle and it has this cap which doesn't look cheap at all, and oh my god, I can sniff it from, मतलब इसको ओपन करने के बाद ही मुझे इसका स्मेल आ रहा है. दिस इज damn good, and it has the pump system. It's not the roll-on kind of pocket perfume. I really love the smell of it. Nykaa का जो मोई कलेक्शन है उसका सारे बड़ा बॉटल आते हैं, but those are very expensive. It's around rupees more than 1000, it's like 1200, 1300, 1500. तो हम कोई भी उतना रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहते, तो we can definitely purchase the mini version of it. And one more thing I can suggest you, please read out the note of the perfumes. They have mentioned the perfect notes about the perfumes. You can guess it that स्मेल कैसे हो सकता है, आपको आपके टेस्ट के साथ वो मैच कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, वो आप थोड़ा इमेजिन कर सकते हैं बाय रीडिंग आउट दोज नोट. सो ये प्लीज़ आप वो कर सकते हैं. ऑल्सो इट्स अ EDP परफ्यूम. इट्स अ 16 ml प्रोडक्ट एंड इट्स कॉस्ट फॉर ₹249. I know it's quite higher range in this quantity, but yes, it's okay because this is something which is a luxurious product. So उसका तो प्राइस थोड़ा हो गई, but it will doesn't let you down because it's a EDP पहली बार, और इसका स्मेल तो अमेजिंग है. I really love it. You can see मैंने इतना ख़त्म कर दिया है, and I am planning to buy the bigger bottle because I really love the smell of this and I am obsessed. Especially in this summer, I can't stay without this. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful and refreshing summery perfume. This is not oceany kind of vibe. It's perfect for summer morning, day out, and very refreshing. Last but not the least, I have this vanilla kind of perfume or body mist, you can say. So it's a Layer Water Girl Vanilla Twist Body Splash. They don't mention that it's a body mist, but I can say that it's a body mist because it's very similar with body mist. यूजुअली बॉडी मिस्ट जैसे होता है, इसका पैटर्न कुछ ऐसे ही होता है. एंड एज यू कैन सी द पैकेजिंग इज़ वेरी लाइट वेट, वेरी यूज़र फ्रेंडली, सो यू कैन ईजिली थ्रो इन टू योर बैग whenever you go outside. So yeah, it's a plus point. If I'm talking about the fragrance of this, it's a vanilla. It's a perfect smell of vanilla. So if you're someone who love to smell something very warm or vanilla, this is for you. Yes, so it's really smells like the vanilla cupcake. So if you love to smell like vanilla cupcake, or you went to the केक फैक्ट्री जहाँ पे पेस्ट्री वगैरह बनाए जाते हैं, I have went there, so I really know about this, how they smells like. So if you love those kind of smells or fragrance, this is the perfect recommendation for you. Also it's a very affordable. It's cost for rupees, if I'm not wrong, it's 200, and maybe I got this for 170. Otherwise I will mention the price over here. And it's a 135 ml product. It's quite good, not bad. मैंने तो इतना ख़त्म कर लिया है, लेकिन इसको मैंने बहुत दिन पहले ही ख़रीदा था. मैं यूजुअली उतना समर में, स्पेशली समर में, इतना वैनिला और वार्म स्मेल पसंद नहीं करती हूँ. आई लाइक वार्म स्मेल और फ्रेगनेंस इन विंटर, नॉट इन समर. सो अभी तो इसको स्टॉप कर दिया है, बट इफ़ यू लव दिस काइंड ऑफ स्मेल, देन you can definitely check this out. So that's it for today's video. I hope you love this video. I hope you found this video very helpful. Please let me know in the comment section below if you love this kind of videos or recommendations from my side. Also you can comment me that what kind of video you want me to do, so I will definitely try those videos for you guys. Yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy and stay खुशबूदार. Bye.